Hello everybody, Dominoes 7 here. Okay, so you notice something I want to tell y'all. If y'all watched that episode of my show when I said to Nala on the video that I was gonna whoop her booty, cause she didn't show up, But I changed my mind. I ain't gonna do her anything, I want to tell y'all something. I want to tell each and every one of y'all something. When I tell Nala things, I be joking with her, I love Nala with all my heart, But I want to let y'all know something. I ain't mad at Nala one bit, okay? Not one bit that I'm mad at her, Because I love her with all my heart, I mean, let me tell y'all something. I prayed every night to see her again. I even prayed to God that I would see her, bring her back in my life, I prayed so much every night to have her back in my life, but she did, I kept refusing to be on my show and stuff like that, But one thing, okay? One thing. Alright. As I was saying though, with Nala, I really love her, And you know something, as I was talking about her and stuff like that, I mean, I was very happy to have her back in my life though, okay? It's early right now, now it's September 16th, okay? 2018. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so in the nearby future, I'm planning on buying a house, okay, in the future. If God bless me with this deal, with this plan, I will be out of here in no time, okay? But there's going to be a problem. I'm going to be paying a water bill. I mean, pay a mortgage, light, cable, and water bill. Well, that's the way life goes, okay? So, today, I'll be going to church. Reverend Thibodeau haven't saw me in a while. I'll tell him everything, but not much, So, decorations I have up here with the Vice City, well, I gotta find a Vice City poster. So, I mean, everything gonna fall into place though, So, I mean, oh yeah, let me tell y'all something, but I don't think Nala want me to say anything. But I don't know who's watching me right now, but here we go. Nala's having a baby for this guy too. I was upset about it at first, but I got over it just like that. It'll be wrong if I would get mad at her and curse her out because of that. Only a douchebag would do something like that. So, if anybody of y'all agree with me on that, you could comment and say that you agree with me, okay? Because on the serious side, folks, only a douchebag would get mad at somebody because they got pregnant on them, I used to be that asshole a long time ago, when this girl Suzanne got pregnant on me, But the thing is, we're not together at all and never will, Because the thing is, I ain't no douchebag, I love kids, you know what I'm saying? So, I love children, Wait a minute, did it freeze? Oh, alright, as I was saying, I love children, I mean, children is the best people part of life, Because they fun and funny and everything. Because, when children talk, they say ding dong head, poo poo face, poo poo head. I'm 34 years old now, and I still say poo poo. I don't know why, because I'm a child at heart. You know what I mean? So, I'm definitely a child at heart. You know what? I'm sorry, y'all. God bless Michael Jackson's soul, you know, because I was I was thinking about that skit on 11 Color when this guy played Michael Jackson, and then chasing the actor, whoever this was, Macaulay Culkin or whatever. So you know, speaking of Macaulay Culkin, I like him, you know. I sure wish he'd be in. So wait a minute. In case y'all heard that, I'm running low on space, you know. But anyway, okay. So here we go. That's all Dominoes 7 got to say right now. Okay. So, wait a minute. Nala was sick. Okay, couldn't make it, throwing up probably, you know. So, I mean, having a baby is a natural thing, and that's a blessing, you know. So, okay. Me and Tanya had our wrongdoings of each other, you know. So, I'm accept Dollar's kid. That it'll be just like my own. I wanted a child of my own, you know. I really did, you know. But that's the way the cookie crumbles. Okay. So that's it for now. I'll talk to y'all whenever.